So since I got Falkenstein, Mecha Thunder, got it out of here. Michael's got it up in Maryland now. I'm between projects, and so got some honeydews, and one of the honeydews is paint this truck. I mean, it looks terrible. It's a lot of work, but I got to do it. Show you what I got. Yeah, Michael's out of here. We had to get him loaded up and out. He's got a show. He had to leave early to get to another show, monster truck event. So yeah, but hey, he said to tell y'all, all y'all, he really appreciates you tuning in. So yeah, there's that. I built this truck like what, 14, 13 years ago, something like that. And when I built it and I put that Cummins, this is a half ton with a Cummins diesel conversion. When I put that engine in, I repainted the truck. I tore down chassis, frame off, body off, everything. I painted the chassis underneath the truck everywhere. And my intent was to make it look nice. But the problem is the paint I used was bad, or I'd done it wrong or something. I don't know what happened. But the paint, like after I painted it, just like after a couple days, it started bubbling up. I may have used too much reducer. I don't know what happened, but anyway, it looks bad. I mean, you see, I tried to fix some of it, kill some of the rust a year or so ago, and it's coming back through again. It gets mildew because it's rough. It mildews. I could wash it and make it look better, but probably. But anyway, I gotta paint it. The problem is I gotta take all this paint down, all this rough paint. I mean, you can't hardly see it. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's bad. It's really bad. So I gotta take that down. I'll show you what I got started on this side. See the mildew. It needs a bath too. So I'm having to take it almost down to the metal, some of it all the way down to the metal. And I got it pretty slick. It don't look slick, but I got primer surfacer I got to put on and make sure it's level. Still got a lot of sanding to do on this side even, but I got to start on it. But that's what I'm up to now, just so you know. Yeah, I know most of you guys not interested in seeing this, but some of you interested to know what I'm up to, so this is what I'm up to right now, painting this truck. It looks really bad. But I got some white urethane. I'm repainting it white. So I'm giving you kind of before and after, so you see what's going on. I hope it comes out good. I hope the next paint job don't bubble up like that, so yeah, we'll see. But on another note, I'm trying to get Michael to bring Falkenstein to the Monster Truck Show in North Mississippi, Corinth, Mississippi, the end of March. Monster Truck Show, and I'm trying to get him to bring Falkenstein so you guys can come there and see it run, see it and hear it run. He might even cut a couple donuts in the dirt of the Monster Truck event, who knows. But he's got a lot of stuff going on, got a lot of vehicles going, and he's just wondering how many of my fans would even show up to see it. So I'm asking you guys now, if you want to see Falkenstein at the Monster Truck event in Corinth, Mississippi at the end of March, I think it's 28th, 29th, it's gonna be like a one-day event. I think tickets is like $25, $30 a person, something like that. Anyway, if you'd like to see Falkenstein there and you could commit to coming, leave me a comment and let me know. I'll be there if Falkenstein is there, or I'll be there regardless if Falkenstein is there or not. So yeah, leave me some comments. So we're trying to get an idea of anybody would even show up, if it's worth him having to go through all the trouble of having to haul Falkenstein there if nobody's gonna show up to see it. So yeah, leave me some comments, let me know. so we can get an idea if anybody show up or not. I know most of you guys are not interested in this, so I'm just shooting this video mainly for my own use to go back look what it looked like. I got it sanded down, some of the rough stuff off. I'm ready for the high build primer. But first I got to pressure wash it under the hood and in the bed. I'm gonna try to pressure wash the bed, shoot a coat in there too. Grease remover, see if that works. But I got all the rough stuff, all the rough paint that was bubbling up off of it. I'm gonna have some body work to do here and there a little bit. Not no big dents, but little dents. But yeah, it's getting close. Get close. Pressure wash the mildew. Yeah, under the hood looks pretty bad. The old insulation under the hood was all coming off, so I just took it off. See if I can clean that up. Clean this up. I don't want to have to paint under the hood. When I built this truck, all that was painted brand new. This thing looked really good until that paint started bubbling up. So yeah, I'm just gonna put some of that grease remover on it and spray it and see what happens. I got the grill bezel and tailgate ready. That grill bezel was a pain in the butt. It was chrome plated. All the chrome was peeling off. Well, not all of it, some of it. So I went ahead and peeled the rest of it off. Man, you talking about a pain in the butt. But I think it's gonna look better. So this is that's all the chrome plates come off that bezel, little bitty pieces at a time. Man, it was a pain in the butt. But I got it. I got it good enough anyway. Old Purple Power done pretty good. Yeah, it still ain't perfect, but man, it looks a lot better. Yeah, I can live with that. Even the bed looks a lot better. If I got enough paint, I might put a coat of paint on it. I don't know yet. It'd be all right. Regardless, it's gonna be great. All right, that's the primer servicer, high build primer coat. Gonna hit it with some 320 with orbital sander and see if I can smooth it down. We got a couple little spots I got to put some glazing putty. We got a little dent right there. I think you got a little dent on this side too. Yeah, right there. Little glazing putty. So I think I got ready to paint. We're gonna call it ready. I'm gonna paint it. Open shop, not gonna be show quality. Wind kind of blowing, so it might get a little trash in it. But yeah, it's gonna be a lot better than what it was. Gotta be. I think it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. I already got the wheels painted. Yep. It's gonna be great, guys. Shop truck. My parts go get a shop truck. It's gonna be great. So I got 3 coats of white single stage urethane on it. Inside the bed, well, I just got 1 coat in the bed. It's gonna get scratched up anyway. But the rest of it's got 3 coats. Come out pretty good. Could be better, could be worse. Man, it looks really good for a rat rod hauler, don't you think? Yeah. Been waiting a long time to get this done, so this is a big accomplishment for me. A lot of work, but I got it done. Now I gotta paint the trim, some of the black trim and tailpipe and put her back together. She'd be done. Done deal. You already got the wheels painted, so yeah, we good. Got them painted silver, aluminum, kind of a dark gray, light gray, sort of. Anyway, you'll see them. All right, let me get back to work. So if you're in Mississippi in March, you want to see Monster Truck Show, Corinth, Mississippi, March 28th. I'll put a link in the description to that event. Check out. I don't know if he's going to have the Falcon there or not. I'm trying to get him to bring the Falcon, but he's got like 3 rigs already coming, so I don't know if he's going to be able to bring the Falcon or not. We'll see. I'll put up another video before the event, let you guys know, or or you can comment, whatever, check with me and see. All right, March 28th, Corinth, Mississippi. See you there. I'll be there. I just want to let you guys know we've been at it a lot of years. I really appreciate you sticking with me through all this thick and thin. Still got more to go, so yeah, see you next time.